bubbles right. Now we can add the glue. Okay, this one is harder than the other one. So, Zipper is already getting started. That is not cool, man. Oh, man. So now I'm gonna mix them with the bubbles too. Okay, maybe not yet. Gonna wait for it. So, I can't. He's so hard. Okay. Is the glue all down? Nope, it's not. It's extra hard. The face can get a mix. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here first. Yeah. Stop right here first. Then mix. Oh! So now we're gonna mix the glue. I think the bubbles more than the glue. Okay, let's add some more. Maybe have some more than that. Okay, maybe I'm gonna use this spatula. Okay.
Have all of it. Yes, gone of it. Now we just yeet.
Got lots of eating. This is so long.
I just yeet.
Oh, look. Stick. So now,
Yeet.
so you just do the
No.
Use spatula stick. Oh my god, that's a lot of glue. Okay.
It's gone back to the salon.
glitter. Ha ha ha. Wow, this glitter is so pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Okay. This is turning to a cotton candy factory. Woo, 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 woo. Finally. Don't tell me this is stuck. Oh. Got the slime. That is so pretty. So pretty. Don't me this is stuck. Oh. So pretty. This is amazing. Look at that. Okay, that's all. Let me try. Oh my god, I think it felt so good. Okay, but a little bit too sticky. It's sticking to my hand. Whoop. Whew. Ouch. It's a lot. Some more purple squinches. No. More purple. Oh my god, no! I think I have to add this all of it. So loving this one. Ooh, I really like this one. I really like this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. A lot of glitter. But I'm not gonna add the red because the red is for the glitters. Nope, the red one for the other one. The best or tempeh slime the best? Comment down below. Don't forget to for slime painting. Bye, and don't forget to vote. Slime Nene or Slime Tempeh, thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell over here to not miss any show. So I think you have to vote for me because
next Saturday I'm gonna make slime weekend. Sunday I'm gonna make games.
Yep.
And make some games.
Don't forget to vote Slime Nene if you like pink and Slime Tempeh if you like blue. Mine is very colorful, by the way. I love this slime so much!
Me too.